friends, welcome back to my channel. Look what I got delivered from our Black Friday JCPenney online shopping. This is Cook's Nonstick Griddle pan. It's 10 inches by 19 inches, which is a pretty decent size for any kind of cooking. Before we open, let's see what's there in the box. It says there is a non-stick cook surface. There is a temperature dial, which is easy to use for precise temperature control. The griddle operates at 1400 watts. That's good. And there is an angled surface, it says, which can easily drain away the fat from the food, which will obviously give us the healthier food. That's amazing. And under the angled surface, it looks like there is a drip tray, and that will collect all the grease from our food. There are non-skid feet under this. So this is what it mentions. It has limited 1-year warranty. And let's see how this temperature control surface griddle is from inside. Let's open. I love to open all packaging. I just love that. So this is how the griddle is from inside. I'm gonna uncover this. So this is the griddle tray. It's a pretty good size. And there is the angled surface, and there is, I think this is the drip tray. So I have to figure out how this will open. Okay, I got it. So this is the drip tray that will easily collect all the oil from our food. And there are the non-skid, so these are non-skid feet that are there. I'm going to wash this before using it. I think I ended up buying a pretty good deal for $24, and it's a steal deal. We can use this to make pancakes, cook sausages, cook bacon, make dosa, roti, tortillas. Cook brand also gives 1-year warranty, so I can try a lot of things. It's easy to use, easy to clean. I hope you like this product. I definitely recommend this product. And I think there is something else in the box too. Once we open, oh, there is a manual. Hey guys, let me know how many of you actually read this manual. I never spend time. I probably just put it in my manual box. So here is the power cord for it. Pretty secured in this styrofoam. I'll open this later. So guys, I think it's a really good product. You guys should also buy this. It's a steal deal. If it's still available at JCPenney, go and grab it as soon as you can. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, and please share the video. Thank you so much. Take care guys. Happy holidays.